all frozen over. And that's just right outside. So this evening I'm gonna try out my truck camper that I built. I'll link the video of my little build kind of walkthrough. It's not the best walkthrough. I'll try to do another one maybe in the future. I'm also gonna go skiing, and right now in northern Vermont we don't have much snow, which kind of sucks. It's been pretty warm and just rainy for the past like couple weeks, so that's kind of a bummer. But we're gonna go camping and hopefully get a couple turns in tomorrow morning. So yeah. Gotta get some snacks. The sunset right now is just so sick. So I set up the camp for the night. It's definitely cold, so I'm a little curious, but we have my wool blanket on top of 6-inch foam. I have the quilt here. I have 2 sleeping bags. This is like I think a 10 degree, if I remember correctly. Oh, it's 5, 20, or what is that last one? 40 degrees, so I'm pretty stoked on this, but it's not bad view. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm definitely trying to get used to talking to a camera and like doing things. It's definitely a little awkward because I just like, I don't know, I'm used to talking to people obviously, and trying to make this feel like a human interaction is a little odd. But it'll come in time. I'm gonna have some pasta salad that I bought at the store, which I'm excited to eat. I don't really have like the best means of cooking here yet, which is like kind of tough. So I gotta figure that out. The only thing I can really do right now is kind of make coffee in this little tiny outlet. I'm kind of using it as like my garage right now. So I just have like my shoes and stuff right here, my gloves. I have like a coffee pot and makers in this little bag right here. So we'll see what that's like in the morning. I'm actually kind of, come on, stay down right there. All right, I'm actually kind of pleased by like how actually comfortable this is inside in comparison to like outside. It's definitely keeping away that like soft breeze that's kind of happening. So I'm pretty pleased with it. We'll see how it lasts at night. The temperatures are already dropping pretty quite fast, so we'll see. Oh, this is like my favorite thing to buy. It's just so good. So, we'll see you later. Good morning. It was definitely a little cold out last night. That's all frozen over. And that's just right outside. Let's make some coffee. Oh, it's cold. It's actually not that bad. Well, I did like 2 runs. It's a little cold. It's still like 10 degrees and it's like 10 a.m. now. But I had a good time. So yeah, hopefully I'll do more of these videos. I don't know. I'll try to make them better. I have really no idea how this is gonna like stitch together with clips and stuff. I had a hard time figuring that out, but we'll see how it goes. So see you another time. All right, bye.